In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a privacy policy page in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean professional privacy policy page that's ready to publish on your site. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand menu, open Sites, then choose Websites. This takes you to the area where all of your site projects live. Select the website where you want the privacy policy to appear so you're editing the correct property. Inside that website, go to the Pages section. This is where you can add, remove, and manage individual pages. Click Add New Page to start creating a dedicated privacy policy page. Give your page a clear name, such as Privacy Policy. Keeping the name simple and consistent makes it easy to find later and helps your team stay organized. You'll also see a highlight field. This is a short descriptor that helps you identify the page at a glance. You can write something like, details on how we collect, use, and protect data. It's for your reference, and depending on your setup, may help with search or summaries. Next, set the path, which becomes the page's URL slug. A best practice is to use privacy policy in lowercase, with hyphens instead of spaces. Keeping it short and readable helps users recognize it and can make your links look more professional. You might notice an option to import from ClickFunnels Classic or ClickFunnels 2.0. If you're migrating content, choose the appropriate import option and follow the prompts. If you're not importing, just proceed without selecting it. Click Create New Page, then choose Create from Blank. Starting from a blank canvas is perfect for a straightforward legal page like this. In the Page Builder, add a paragraph element to the canvas. This gives you a text area where you can paste or type your privacy policy. If you already have a policy from your legal team or a compliant template, paste it in here. Consider breaking it into clear sections with headings. Things like what data you collect, how it's used, cookies and tracking, third-party tools, data retention, user rights, and how users can contact you. Keep the language precise and avoid including any unnecessary personal details. Use consistent formatting, line spacing, and headings to improve readability. When you're done, either publish to make the page live immediately or save to keep it as a draft. Publishing will generate the live URL using the path you set, and you can preview it to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. Your privacy policy page is now created in GoHighLevel and ready to support your site's compliance and user trust.